So now today we will solve another problem. The problem is solve Ax equals B by least square method and find P is equal to Ax. P projection is Ax hat if A is this 1 0 0 1 and 1 1 and B is this. Okay, solution is let's take X equals B. Ax equals B. Multiply A transpose on both sides. Multiply A transpose on both sides, we get A transpose Ax which is equals to A transpose into B. Okay. A transpose Ax which is equals to A transpose B. We group A transpose A transpose into A. Then we take this A transpose A term to the right side, which becomes inverse of A transpose A. Therefore, X is equal to A transpose A inverse, because LHS comes to the RHS, therefore it becomes inverse. Then the A transpose B is as it is. A transpose B is as it is. Therefore, this is X hat X cap. X cap is A transpose A inverse into A transpose into B. We have to find P is equal to A into X hat. Okay. First we have to find X hat. For X hat we need A transpose A inverse. It's inverse. First we have to find A transpose A. We multiply A transpose matrix and A matrix. Okay. First A transpose is transpose of A 1 0 1 0 1 1 and A is matrix 1 0 0 1 1 1. Multiply these two matrices, we get 1 into 1 1 0 into 0 0 plus 1 into 1 1. Then 1 into 1 into 0 0 plus 0 into 1 0 plus 1 into 1 1. And 0 into 1 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. Then 1 into 1 plus 1. 0 into 0 0 plus 1 into 1 is 1 plus 1 into 1 is 1, which becomes 1 plus 1 2 and 0 0 1 is 1 and this is 1 and this is 1 plus 1 2. Therefore, A transpose A is this. Next we have to find that A transpose A inverse. We have formula A transpose A inverse means adjoint matrix of A transpose A and the determinant of A transpose A. Okay. Here the determinant of A transpose A is determinant of A transpose A is determinant of 2 1 1 2. 2 1 1 2 means 2 2s are 4 minus 1. 2 2s are 4 minus 1, which is equals to 3. A transpose determinant of A transpose A is 3. Adjoint of A is adjoint of A transpose A is diagonal elements same as it is 2 2 and above the diagonal element and below the diagonal element same changing in these two elements minus 1 which becomes adjoint of A for the 2 plus 2 matrix. By using cofactors also the adjoint A transpose A is this. This is shortcut. Okay. This is adjoint of A transpose into A. A transpose A inverse means adjoint of A transpose A divided by determinant of A transpose A. Therefore, we find A transpose A inverse. A transpose A inverse is adjoint of A transpose A. Adjoint of A transpose A is this matrix 2 minus 1 minus 1 2. 2 minus 1 minus 1 2 and the determinant of A transpose A is by 3. is 3. Therefore, it becomes 1 by 3, 2 minus 1, minus 1, 2. This is the inverse of A transpose and A. Next, we have to find A transpose into B. A transpose, this is, we call this as equation number 1, and A transpose into B is, A transpose matrix is 1 0 1 0 1 1. 1 0 1 0 1 1, and the B is, small b is the given column vector is 1 1 0 1 1 0. Therefore, multiply these two matrices, we get 1 into 1 1 plus 0 into 1 0 plus 1 into 0 0. Then 0 into 1 0 plus 1 into 1 1 plus 1 into 0 0. Therefore, it becomes 1 1. Therefore, A transpose B is this. Substitute equation 1, we call this as equation 2. Substitute equation 1 and equation 2 in this x hat, we get x hat is A transpose A inverse is 1 by 3 into the matrix 2 minus 1 minus 1 2. 1 by 3 to the matrix 2 minus 1 minus 1 2, and A transpose B is this matrix 1 1 1 1. Therefore, multiply these two matrices, we get x hat or x cap, which equals to 2 into 1 2 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 2 into minus 1 into 1 minus 1 2 into 1 plus 2. Therefore, 1 by 3 as it is, 1 by 3, which is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 plus 2 is 1. Therefore, the x hat is 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. This is the x hat we already obtained. We have to find P is equal to A into x hat. For that, we have to multiply the given matrix A into the x hat. X hat is the 2 cross 1 matrix 1 by 3 1 by 3, and we have to multiply that with the x hat, the given matrix A. Therefore, consider P is equal to x into A into x hat, which is equals to A is the given matrix 1 0 0 1 1 1, and x hat is 1 by 3 1 by 3. Multiply these two matrices, we get P. This is the method by solving the given matrix to least square method. Least square by least square method. Okay, 1 into 1 by 3 is 1 by 3. 0 into 1 by 3 is 0. 0 into 1 by 3 is 1 by 3. 0 into 1 by 3 is 0. And 1 into 1 by 3 is 1 by 3. 1 into 1 by 3 is 1 by 3. Into 1 plus 1 by 3. 1 into 1 by 3 is 1 by 3. Therefore, the matrix becomes 1 by 3, 1 by 3, and 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 gives 2 by 3. This is the required P. This is the required P. Therefore, we find P, which is equals to 1 by 3, 1 by 3, and 2 by 3. This is required. This is the problem of solving the matrix, given matrix by least square method. Okay. Understood?